150 sentences for beginners. The car is blue. The car is blue. Negative. The car isn't blue. The car isn't blue. Yes/no question. Is the car blue? Is the car blue? WH question. What color is the car? What color is the car? Tag question. The car is blue, isn't it? The car is blue, isn't it? She drinks water. She drinks water. Negative. She doesn't drink water. She doesn't drink water. Yes/no question. Does she drink water? Does she drink water? WH question. What does she drink? What does she drink? Tag question. She drinks water, doesn't she? She drinks water, doesn't she? They watch TV. They watch TV. Negative. They don't watch TV. They don't watch TV. Yes/no question. Do they watch TV? Do they watch TV? WH question. What do they watch? What do they watch? Tag question. They watch TV, don't they? They watch TV, don't they? Sam lives in a house. Sam lives in a house. Negative. Sam doesn't live in a house. Sam doesn't live in a house. Yes/no question. Does Sam live in a house? Does Sam live in a house? WH question. Where does Sam live? Where does Sam live? Tag question. Sam lives in a house, doesn't he? Sam lives in a house, doesn't he? The sky is clear. The sky is clear. Negative. The sky isn't clear. The sky isn't clear. Yes/no question. Is the sky clear? Is the sky clear? WH question. What is clear? What is clear? Tag question. The sky is clear, isn't it? The sky is clear, isn't it?